Hello, I'm Electra Frost from Electra Frost Advisory, and I'm here to wish you happy 30th of June. It's the end of a wild financial year, and we're looking forward to the new one, which starts tomorrow. So that means you only have a few hours left today to lock in and maximise your tax outcomes for 2020. Is there anything you've forgotten? I'm here to remind you right now to go out and take a photo of your vehicle odometer reading. If you've got a record of that on 30th of June, what your odometer reading is, then it can help you, as explained in my newsletter here. So in particular, if you haven't done a logbook for this financial year, and there have been a lot of changes and you're supposed to do a new logbook if your situation, your usage of your vehicle for business or work changes substantially, and I think for everyone it has in the last 4 months. So the ATO will be looking for logbooks that are reflective of the changed conditions. So if you're just claiming the same percentage of car usage in your 2020 tax return as you have in the past, and there's not a new logbook, record, well, that could be a problem. So start one today. If you start it today, it'll fall in the financial year 2020, okay, even if you don't finish it for another 12 weeks. Okay, and I've got a few other last minute tax actions. If you've gone out to buy equipment, it's all very well and good paying for it, but you've got to actually have it today. It's got to be installed and ready for use. If you're wanting to pay for anything in advance to get a deduction, there's a 12-month prepayment rule, so generally meaning you can't pay for something for more than 12 months and for it to be deductible in the 2020 tax year today. What else? A few people have urgent tax returns this year. We understand you might not have worked as much this year, or you've had a business downturn and paid too much in PAYG instalments and you're keen to get some of that money back from the ATO. Look, we've had a lot of inquiries to book in early for tax returns this year. And we are keeping some space for people who are urgent. So do let us know if you really need to get your tax return documents for a home loan refinance or business equipment loans applications. Just let us know and we'll try to move things around for you. If you're not in a hurry to do your tax return, please wait. We're trying to help some people in the next month or two who have a lot of urgency, and we'll appreciate if you're not in a hurry. If you can wait a few months, that'd be great. Let's see, it's 30th of June. Some people might be wanting to cancel their GST registrations. Perhaps it's time to register for GST. Look, there are lots of good reasons to register for GST. There are some reasons why you might have to. Have a look at the points in my newsletter here just to see if any of them apply to you. If you have any questions, just email them through. Be aware it might take us a few days to reply just because of the time of year. However, something to note with GST registration, we might register you on the 10th of July and make it effective 1st of July. We just can't register earlier. And at the moment, the ATO online systems for GST registration aren't working, so we have to do it on the phone. It takes ages. So yes, the ATO's online systems sometimes choose to not work at the worst times. But anyway, if you need to register for GST, we can do that now and get you started on one of our business packages. We have 3 to choose from now. I've explained a new package in this newsletter, which is for clients who want to do their own bookkeeping. Now, we really want to do our clients' bookkeeping if they are able to let us, because it means we can do it properly and it can be done on time every month, which is great for monthly reporting. There are a lot of changes going on. As we've seen in the last 4 months, government legislation and changes happen very quickly. And sometimes we just have to print off reports from your accounting system and know they're right to be able to make a quick decision for you. So if your accounts are in good order, we can act very quickly for you and you're at the front of our queue. And so businesses that are needing more help from us, more guidance through these times, we like to get all in and involved with the accounts to make sure everything's right. And we also configure them really well for reporting and for forecasting and, but if we're only looking at your accounts every 3 months and you're doing them yourself, quite often we're just spending hours fixing them before a BAS deadline. If we're doing that for a lot of people, it really throws our workflow out. So that's our rationale for wanting to encourage more clients to work monthly with us. We do understand many people want to continue doing their own bookkeeping to save money. That works well as long as there's not too much for us to fix for you. And if we still look at it monthly, I think doing your monthly reconciliation, knowing everything's correct, being able to print out a balance sheet to know your financial position, the financial health of your business, and to be able to run off your cash flow statement to know, what you can do and be able to make projections to manage the months ahead. There's still some uncertainty. Look, it's really important. If your accounts are up to date monthly and we have a look at it with you every month, we can help you more. So have a look at our accounting ability package. I know it's a really nerdy name, but I amused myself so much when I came up with it. It's intended as a middle ground between our Lone Ranger package and our big Coactive business plan. It's a solution for our existing clients who still want to do their own bookkeeping. They want us to do their BAS. We'll meet you in the middle. Let's meet up monthly. Let's have a call monthly to make sure everything's correct and bring to your attention any changes in tax law or the economic kind of situation that might affect you. And communication, if we chat once a month about you and your business, then we're more familiar and we take notes and we're able to we have recall, which can help when there's a change. We'll think, oh, yeah, Daniel, that'll affect him because I spoke to him last month and I looked at his accounts last month. So, yeah, that's how we want to work with you so that we have more success that way. All right, and so have a look through my newsletter. I've explained it. Please reach out to me today. I'm sending out proposals and chatting to clients on the phone. I'll send you my Calendly link if you want to have a good look at it with me. And I look forward to hearing from you. Happy end of financial year, everyone, and happy job keeping for the month ahead. Those of you on JobKeeper, you'll get your JobKeeper questionnaire tomorrow. We're doing them really quickly now. Tax questionnaires are going out to clients who've pre-booked. BAS questionnaires are going out tomorrow. It'll be the last BAS questionnaire because going forward, we're going to be working monthly with everyone, whatever scale of package they're on. Okay, all the best. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Happy 2021.